Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to send money Chime physical active account to another account. So you need to open Chime apps, then you need to log in your account, then select pay option. So I need to pay 49. So 49, click pay. Then Darnota Adams. What's this for? Tip. Next, pay. So this account 5k limit, you can send 5k. So now again I will send 99. If you follow these tricks, you couldn't get any problem on this account. So if you need like this account, then join my Telegram channel and join my Telegram personal account. Link in the description. And also Cash App account is available. So this account is physical active account. Physical active account, all time P2P enable. So now I'll send rest of 95. Click pay again and click Darnota Adams 95. Click next. So if you buy like this account, then join my Telegram ID, and if you need Cash App, then join my Telegram ID. This account almost 2 years old. So thank you.